controller setup on the drive 500, 600 and 1000. How to change the number of limits. To begin, press and hold square for 3 seconds. To enter programming mode, buzzer beeps twice, which now indicates we have entered programming mode. Scroll to the left to advanced menu. Press and release square to enter. Scroll to controller setup. Upon reaching, press and release square. Scroll to the right to number of limits. Press and release square. Currently on single limit. In order to change, scroll to the right for dual limits. This feature can also be utilized when upgrading an ET500 to a Drive 500, or in some cases where 2 limits are required at certain installations. Press the square to save. Gate reprofiling would be required. We would have to redo runtime setup. To exit, controller setup, press and release X. We are back to the advanced menu. Press and release exit again. Advanced menu exited. To exit the standard mode, out of programming mode, press and release X again. Runtime setup not set.